Having trouble with slow Xbox PC app downloads on Windows 11? In this video, we'll show you how to speed things up by adjusting settings, fixing network issues, and getting faster download speeds. Start by searching for ncpa.cpl. Open ncpa.cpl from the results. Next, right-click on Ethernet 0 and click on Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8, and for the alternative DNS server, type 4.1.1.1. Click on Advanced, then go to the DNS tab. Click on Add, type 1.1.1.1, and click on Add again. Click OK, then click OK again, and finally click OK to close the properties. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Next solution, search for Powershell and run it as administrator. Click OK to confirm. Now, copy the command netsh interface TCP show global from the video description, paste it here, and press Enter. Next, copy the command netsh int TCP set global autotuning level = normal from the video description, paste it here, and press Enter. Once done, close Powershell. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Next solution, search for CMD and run it as administrator. Click Yes to confirm. Now, copy the command ipconfig/release from the video description, paste it here, and press Enter. Then, copy the command ipconfig/flushdns, paste it here, and press Enter. Next, copy ipconfig/renew, paste it here, and press Enter. After that, copy netsh int IP reset, paste it here, and press Enter. Finally, copy netsh winsock reset, paste it here, and press Enter. Type exit and press Enter to close the command prompt. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Next solution, right-click on Windows Start and open Settings. Click on Privacy and Security, then select Windows Security. Click on Open Windows Security, then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings and turn off Real-Time Protection. Click Yes to confirm. Close the Settings window. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.